Okay, let's do this. A little tar job. Let's go. God, stupid hoe.
Are you almost done with it?
Can't you see I'm working on it?
I don't want it there. I told you in the middle, not on the corner.
Just trust me, it's gonna work. Look, see? The outfit's good.
I don't know. I don't like it here. I think you should move it again. It's too close to the corner.
Look, we can see over the fence now. I'm over this. I can never do nothing right. She's always complaining. Screw this. Oops. Oh boy. Gotta fix it before she comes.
What did you do now? What happened here?
Don't worry, babe. I got it. I'll flip it over. Don't worry. I got it. I got it. Never mind.